Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Apple have started rolling out a new beta build for iOS 18.1 which is beta 5. I've already updated my iPhone 15 Pro Max to that latest build and this update brings some new changes. We'll talk about every change in this video what beta 5 brings on the table for iPhones. First let's take a look at the software information. So here you can see it says iOS 18.1 and the iOS version previously it was ending with alphabet G, now it ends with alphabet E. Modern version remains exactly same, but after this update one thing which I noticed previously, the available storage on my iPhone 15 Pro Max was 219 GB. You can consider 220 GB because it was 219.73. But now if you see after installing this latest build, the available storage is 221.02 GB. I think this update wipes out some junk files which were present on the previous build. That's the reason we got bit extra space on a device. The update size was 838.9 MB. Now first let's compare the benchmark results before and after updating the device. So here you can see the difference between the benchmark scores before and after updating the device. Before we had slightly lower scores in single and multi-core, but now the scores are on higher side on same device. And also same thing you can see with the AnTuTu benchmark application. On the previous build scores were 14,63,769, but now the scores are 15,39,821. So it looks like slight boost in the performance on iOS 18.1 beta 5. And now let's talk about the changes what they have done. So first change is layered to the control center. Previously you can see we had the Wi-Fi icon in this single tab. Whenever we used to long press, there used to be another pop-up view. Later on we can tap here and look for the Wi-Fi connection. But now if you are in the control center, tapping on add controls, now they have added a dedicated icon for Wi-Fi and VPN. So this way you can apply it on the control center. And now if you want to open the Wi-Fi search, you can just long press and do the same. Wherein previously we had multiple steps. First pop-up was this and the second pop-up was the Wi-Fi search. And I feel this is more convenient. Along with that, as I said, they have also added the VPN icon which can be directly accessed with a single tap. Another change layer to control center, now they have given an option to reset the control center. So if in case you have messed up with the control center by playing around, you can reset it from the control center section from the settings page. But I feel Apple should have given an easy access directly in the control center, wherein we see on most of the OEMs we have an edit icon towards the right or left side and from where we can easily reset the control center. That would have been a lot better. So these are the two changes what they have done with the control center. And the next change what we noticed, that's layered to the messaging application. So soon I opened the messaging application. Let me show you the screenshot. So here you can see this is the latest screenshot, and after installing beta 5 I got this pop-up which says Apple Intelligence in Messages, where we can get to see the message summaries and we also get the option to smart replies. After that there's another app which got minor tweaks, and that's the Notes application. So here I have the Notes app. If you guys remember, the writing tool used to appear by selecting the text and tapping on this arrow. Here we used to get an option of writing tool, and now they have made it quite easy. So if you have any text here, you can see a new icon towards the right bottom side, a star-like icon. Tapping on it, it will open the writing tool. And from where, according to your requirement, you can choose the options. So these were the changes what they have done in the applications. And now there are some UI changes. Let's talk about them. And the first change can be found inside the display and brightness section. Finally, they have updated the wallpapers of iOS 18 in the dark and light preview. And now we can also see a huge difference in the dark and light mode comparing to the previous ones. And also if you see the icon of Apple Siri, let me show you in the dark mode how it used to look. So this is how it used to look on the previous update even after enabling the dark mode. But now if I enable the dark mode, you can see it adapts to the dark theme. Here you can see the icon side by side. And the same change they have done inside the Apple Intelligence in Siri setting page. Also another change if you see here in the accessibility settings, now they have created a huge gap between every setting. Previously everything was compact. You can see the section of vision was quite small compared to what we get to see on this latest build. Let me just turn off the dark mode so that you guys can see properly. And here you can see a complete difference. Also previously Face ID had this green icon, but now we have this dark blue icon on beta 5. And the same thing goes with the eye tracking. Previously you can see the color of eye tracking icon, and now you can see a difference in the color. And another change which Mukul Bhai had spotted on his 15 Pro, but I don't know, I did check out on my 15 Pro Max, that feature was not available. So on 15 Pro they have added the style section. I'm not sure whether that was available on iPhone 15 Pro Max or not. But as per Mukul Bhai, they have brought back the styles in the camera application. So guys, these were all the changes what we spotted on iOS 18.1 beta 5. If you guys have any kind of questions, let us know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.